Okay, in this video we're going to talk about the year, month, day, hour, minute, and second functions. These are valuable for taking an existing date entry and separating it out into its individual parts. So we're going to use our now function to enter a date and time in here, and then we'll break it up with the year, month, day, hour, minute, and second functions. So we'll do equals and now, and that'll give us today's date along with the time, and it doesn't show the seconds, but the seconds are there in the data. Okay, so we're just going to put in entries for the year, the month, the day, the hour, the minutes, and the seconds. So now we'll use each of these functions to bring back this data. So for year we do equals and YEAR, hit tab, go grab this date, close the parentheses, and hit enter. And it brings back our year, 2017, from that text string above. Now if this reference were to change, then our function will update. And I'll show you an example of this. We'll copy this, paste it as a value using Alt-HVV, and then I'll just go into the text and change the date to 2012. And when I hit the enter key and it updates, the year function also updates it in our cell right here. Let's do the month. Equals month, tab, select our reference, close parentheses, and enter. And see, it returns the number of the month, the 7th month. For day, we do equals day, tab, select our data, close parentheses, and enter. And it shows the 10th day. And you'll also notice there are other versions of the day function. There's days and days 360. Days returns the number of days between two dates, and days 360 returns the number of days between two dates based on a 360-day year. So that's 12 30-day months. Oops, gotta go delete that. The next one is hour, equals hour. It returns the hour from the referred cell, and the hour is 9. For minute, we do equals minute, select our reference, and it shows 39. And finally, we'll do second, equals second, same thing, pick our reference cell. And to show you again how things update, if we put the now function back in here, you can see the seconds shows 4, the year has gone back to 2017. Now anytime I update any of these functions in here, everything else will update. So for example, if I hit F2 to bring up the formula again and hit enter again, watch what happens to the seconds. See, it changed to 24. And what that means is every time you save a workbook with a live formula in here and you're pulling year, month, day, etc., it'll update when you reopen that workbook or when you make any updates to the formulas. And if you want to lock any of these cells to show these values permanently, then you'd have to copy it and repaste it just as a value and get rid of the formula. So that's how you use the year, month, day, hour, minute, and second functions to pull different parts out of a date and time.